Hello, friends. Good evening. Market up or down? Happy days are here again. Market was down. Check the brokerages. Doesn't look like we sold anything, but we have $200 left and 1 day trade. Looks like these are the closest, but let's go through them one by one and see what we're going to buy. MCB, I'm sure it's underwater, but is it under 30 RSI? The answer is no. Okay. Then we have AUB. 30.96 with the X date 2 days away. This is where your discipline or lack of will get in the way, because a lot of you will still take this, and it's probably okay. But if you want to really be good at trading, you have to have a system, and you actually have to follow it. So that's not in our trading plan, so we're not taking it. It's over 30 RSI. It has to be under. CVBF. That's a winner. 1120. Okay. We're going to use this as our last day trade. So we're going to cancel this guy. That didn't work last time, so. First trigger's a second. Gonna buy one. 1120. Good till cancel with the extended hours. And then we're gonna sell how many we got? It's like 5 of them. We need a price. So if you add these up, divide by 5, that'll get you your average. It's also right down here. Take this number times 1.01. That's the profit target I like. And I want to put the order in for that. So pause the video if you need to and do the math real quick. Good till cancel with extended hours. So I just want to check the math real quick. And you saw we started buying it at 14.5. So to be out in profits at 12.5, that's pretty cool. That shows the power of the math. That's what gives the edge in the market. It all comes from position sizing and having a bunch of bullets. And that's our only round trip order. So anything else that we decide to buy, we cannot have a sell. IP. $28. We got the X dividend coming on this sucker too. Cool. IP 3148. And you can see I'm not worried about the pattern day trading rule. I'm not shutting it down. We just keep pushing forward. You can't beat somebody that never gives up. Every day I'm in here getting it. One share, 31.48. Ship it. That probably would have been our best round trip order right there. Look how close we are to selling. That's okay. You don't have to get it right. You just got to get it going. That's an old saying. Just do something. People come up with so many excuses. Just get moving. Get after it. If you do more, you'll have more. And that's just how it works. All right. TROX. It's dumping. Wow. That's all right. Cancel all these orders. $10.77. Good to cancel with extended hours. We're just buying $10.77. And hopefully you'll start to see some of the speed increase in the cells. Because before, when we would encounter these same situations, they happen over and over again. What was it, 10.77? Yeah. We didn't have the money to keep buying. But now, we've got a little bit to maneuver with. The last one is FHI. Under 30. Sweet. 37.08. We'll do a little big picture at the end real quick. But we'll put this order in and then we'll see what's left. 37.08 on FHI. When you first start out, you'll probably be nervous to not have a sell in because you don't have the conviction and courage to know that all of these sell for profits 100% of the time, always. But time, that's what we don't know. All right, 37.08. Boom. We got $100 left. So let's take a look at our positions here. We got 70, $80 here. Let's just for sakes see if there's something on here. There's not something out of my universe. I may just take the day off. Eventually our account will be big enough that we'll just be able to buy everything until we're out and follow our plan. And it'll be easy. But right now we're kind of in a middle ground. We've got enough to make some maneuvers, but not really a whole lot. Right. So let's see what's on here. If there's something from the universe, we'll take it. Bank of Hawaii is in my universe. We need another bank like we need a hole in the head, I think. GPS. That's the only one that's in my universe. Your universe might be different. Keep that in mind. If you like some of these other stocks, there's some good ones on here. Like, that was not bad. But this is in my universe, so no emotions, just follow the plan. I like the 8% dividend, no debt. They're making good profits here. It's at a decent valuation, right? They have free cash flow. It's just a good business. It's a good bank. $34.92. Bank of Hawaii. All right. Video's been going a little bit longer lately just because we have more activity, so hopefully you're learning more. $73 billion. Take a look at this one. A descending triangle, which way does that break out, typically? That's your homework. Find that answer. 30, so that's a 15. If you add them up and take the average, that's right in the sweet spot. That's manageable. I don't really care for this. We don't need it. We've taken some of these other ones, but it's only 13 bucks. Let's do a lot of orders, not make a lot of money. A lot of these are good. There's 50. Low debt, decent dividend, nice PE range, different sector. We're in the energy sector. And boom, I like this one. NFG 5042. Eventually, there was 29 stocks on there, so eventually you just have enough at a 1% for each one, and you would only put 29% of your portfolio in today. So hopefully that makes sense. But right now, one share is more than 1% of our portfolio, so it's a little crazy right now. 4052 for NFG. Little list exit 5042. That's correct. Nice and easy. We might take Levi again. Get to cancel extended. Pop it. Ship it. We got 24 bucks left. There's no real point to hang on to it, to be honest. I'm pretty much at this point open to anything but a bank. It's 21, that's a bank. Not really interested in the banks. I mean, we just have plenty of them. The 24, yeah. I did like this one. Did we get out of this one? Yeah, looks like it's sold. Yeah. And it's lower than what it was then. Low debt. Dividend's not all that, but 26 into 2 is 13 roughly. Yeah, this one's fine. That's in the energy sector. NOV 1457. All right. Ship up. 1034 left. We're just looking over here at the price. Got a bank there. $10. That's 7. This looks like the closest. You do the 6 and then do this one too, but really maximize. Now, this will be all right if it works out. No debt, nice high dividend. It's at a cheap price for a bank. Everything looks fine. BRKL 766, and that'll be it. Sometimes it makes sense to hold back some cash or some dry powder, but in this choppy market, and especially with the amount of cash that we would have left, you're not going to change the world. So, might as well put it in. And the thinking is that in the very worst case of scenarios, we just bought more income. Our income just went up. Our passive income. So, as you can see, our income just went up 54 cents a year. Boom. So people always talk about passive income, but nobody really knows how to get it. Well, you can just buy it. So go get you some money and buy some. But well, a little slow. For the big picture here, look how in sync we are with the markets. We sold here. It was up here, right? Even this day was higher. We sold here, lower. We're buying down here. Red to green, red to green. If we get another small green or even a big green, we'll be selling into it too. And if it keeps going down, then we'll probably just have to hang out and collect dividends for a little while. And remember, we'll have our $10 hit, which I think it hit today, Tuesday. It's set for Monday, but I don't think it clears until Tuesday or Wednesday. But that's why I didn't mind buying that $7 stock there at the end, because if we have a $10 deposit every week, we'll at least be able to buy one share of that, right? So forward momentum just builds more momentum, and it's important to stay in the flow of the markets. Buy stocks almost daily. If you check out the website for the main account, you can see I buy stocks every day. And I got a ritual every day at 8 a.m. I buy real estate stocks, REITs. So, and high income. So, like your car note, I'm buying that. Every payment you make is passive income for somebody else. Don't forget that. With that being said, we're going to knock it off here. Have an awesome evening, and we'll catch you tomorrow. Peace out.